Hello campers and outdoor enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the features of the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane camping stove, a portable powerhouse perfect for camping, tailgating, and BBQs. This compact stove weighs just 5 pounds and measures 15.9 inches long, 7.8 inches wide, and 24.8 inches high, making it an easy addition to any campsite, picnic, or roadside adventure. With 22,000 total BTUs of cooking power, it boasts 2 independently adjustable burners with improved knob rotation for precise temperature and simmering control. The stove is designed with 2 wind guards to protect the burners from gusts, ensuring consistent performance in any weather. A heavy-duty latch keeps the stove securely closed when not in use, while the durable, chrome-plated grate is removable for easy cleanup. It fits both 12-inch and 10-inch pans, providing versatility for all your cooking needs, and offers up to 1 hour of burn time on high with a single 16 ounces propane cylinder, sold separately. Whether you're a seasoned camper or weekend warrior, the Coleman Triton is your go-to for reliable outdoor cooking. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.